Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday. I'm going to be making some dominoes again for the first time in a very long time. I'm excited for this one. Just like both of the videos last week, this is going to be a quick and easy one. I pulled some ancient copper mica powder. It's a really, really gorgeous copper. And I'm going to mix that into my resin, pour it in there, and then a problem for future Megan is what color to paint the dots when they're molded. I don't know whether to go with black or white or silver. Yeah, that's a problem for future Megan, so we'll let her deal with that. Super quick and easy. I'll get my resin ready, get it all mixed up and poured in, and then we will be back for the unmolding. Stay tuned. Okay, friends, I got ahead of myself and I unmolded the dominoes and started working on adding the white paint to them, and then realized that I totally forgot to show you guys me unmolding them because I'm working on 4 projects right now and my brain is scattered. So hopefully you don't mind that you didn't get an unmolding today. But yeah, so this is how they turned out. I think they turned out beautiful. I feel like they're almost like a caramel, or like even a caramel Tim Tam or something. I don't know. But this is how they're going to look with the white acrylic paint. I'm just using my folk art acrylic paint to paint these up. And I can't wait to see what they look like when they're all finished. I'm so excited for these because they're just gorgeous. Now I need to find a box to keep all of these dominoes in. But anyway, that's going to be today's video. Like I said, super quick and easy. And yeah, if you liked this video, please leave it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it pleases the algorithm gods. If you like content like this, and you want to stick around for more, please do so by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Yeah. All right. Take care, guys.